If you need a reliable way to keep doors, lids, or compartments safely propped open, these gas struts from RecPro are a strong and dependable option. These are USA-made gas struts that can be used to keep entry doors, RV beds, hoods, trunks, and more propped open. These gas struts are designed to attach to a 10mm ball via the 10mm ball socket end fittings, which also feature built-in locking clips that keep the gas struts securely attached. These RV gas struts offer a lifting force of 13 pounds per strut and come in packs of 2 or 4. These gas struts are constructed of steel tubing and measure at 8mm in diameter for the piston rod and 19mm in diameter for the body. They also have a 10mm plastic ball socket end fittings. To install, first remove your old gas struts using a small flat tool, such as a flat screwdriver, to lift the locking clip on the top of the ball socket. Be sure to lift it up enough to pull the old strut off the ball stud. Don't fully remove the locking clip or it will be difficult to get back on. Once your old struts have been removed, you can easily install your new struts. Making sure your new struts are in the same orientation as the old ones, attach the new struts by placing the ball socket over the ball stud and applying pressure until the socket snaps into place. Then repeat for the other end. And if you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.